In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox FPS Unlocker not working. Now first, what you want to try is you want to right click on it, go to properties, and from in here find compatibility. Now once you're in here, you want to check this box and check that it's on Windows 8. And then you want to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Now click apply and see if it works. If it still doesn't, come back in here, change this to Windows 7 and try that as well. Now once you've tried those and if it still doesn't work, another thing you can do is come down here, apps and features, and delete your Roblox. Simply search for Roblox, delete both of these, and then what you want to do is reinstall Roblox. Now this should hopefully help you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.